Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair review or a hair tool review that I was really excited about because I've been seeing this all over Instagram, and it is the Crimper. So it's a 3-wand crimper. It looks so easy to use online. Literally you just like hold it onto your hair and you have these like beautiful beachy waves, but you know, everything online you don't really know until you try it out yourself. So I wanted to do a first impressions review of this hair tool. Now the brand itself though is something I've never heard of. It's called Pretty Queen, and it looks pretty much like a standard wand that you would get at like Ulta or something from different like Conair or different brands like Hot Tools. So it comes like this, and then the thing is too about this brand is that they don't even have a regular website. They just link their Amazon website right here. So I haven't checked out what else they have, but they had exactly the pink wand I was looking for. So it comes in a box like this. It has a little instruction guide, and then this is the tool itself. So it is pink, and it does look way bigger than it does on the box, but that's good because you can do a lot of hair at once. And then it has the Pretty Queen label right here, and I'm guessing this is the heat adjustment and everything. It feels pretty good. Like, it doesn't feel too cheap or anything like it's gonna break the first time I use it. It feels like it's a regular Conair type wand, but we'll see once it starts heating up. 210 degrees, and you know why I think it doesn't go up any higher is because this is actually in Celsius. So I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because no wonder it only goes to 210. It's definitely in Celsius. Careful with it. It's good that it comes with this holder right here, just because when you place it down it is so large it could melt whatever's around it. So yeah, so let's just get started. I usually section off my hair when I'm straightening it or curling it, but for the sake of the video and just how I've seen it online is that girls will just section off their hair in 3 parts. So the front, and then the back, and then they'll just do this throughout the whole hair. So let's try it out. So I'm gonna have to wet it a little bit. It'll dry before I start putting heat on it, so don't worry, I won't burn my hair. But I just want to kind of get the kink out of my hair right now. You can see it's kind of like wavy back here. All right, and then the 2 products I'm gonna just put in to protect my hair is the Tresemme Heat Tamer. This is the heat protectant I always use. All right, so let's take the section right here, and I'm just gonna do it this way because this is the way I've seen it done. And you pretty much, that's all you do, you just hold it onto your hair. I'm not gonna do it too long because it seems like it got pretty hot, so let's do it for like 10 seconds. Okay, yes, this is definitely crimped hair right here. Let's do another section. Okay. Oh yes, so it does work. This is exactly what I was looking for. Kind of crimped waves, and if you have long hair this is really convenient because it's going pretty quick. Like, you could do your whole head of hair really probably less than 20 minutes, so that's really good. All right, let's do the full section, see how it looks. Ooh, I like it, I like it. So when it comes to the end of the hair, I'm just gonna crimp it. I did see some styles where it was just crimped and then it was kind of like the ends were normally straight, but I want to just see how it would fully look with the whole thing crimped. Okay, so that is the whole piece crimped. Ooh, I like it, girl, I like it. How do you like it, guys? What do you think? I feel like this really does a good job, and it was quick. It was like doom, 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 and then already I have these crimped waves. So I'm gonna just start on the back pieces, which I feel like is gonna be really easy to do because it's such a big iron that I'm taking huge sections and it's like already done. I don't have to like section it off too much. Let's do another layer in the back. You can see the back pieces I could do a little bit better, just because for the sake of time I wanted to see if I could do my whole head in under 20 minutes, and I could. What I really like about this type of iron too is that it heated up really quickly, so you can just go straight to your hair and start crimping it. You don't have to wait for a long time to the back sections and you can't see. All you got to do is just take a section of hair, hold it down in place, and then you know you're gonna get a wave. It's sometimes hard to curl your hair in the back because maybe you miss small little pieces, but for this one, since it's such a large iron, you can just take huge sections and get your full hair all at once. Another thing that I really noticed and liked is that this is the type of waves you would get if you did really tight braids in your hair at night, which I still do. I do braid my hair at night, and then it's kind of like this type of wavy when I take it out in the morning, but the curls or the waves, they don't last. Like, this style doesn't last in my hair. Even if I spray it with product and hairspray, it falls flat within like 2 hours. But I feel like since I used heat on my hair, these waves are gonna stay all day. To give you an impression of what it kind of looks like in the back, I don't know if I missed any pieces because I was doing it really quick, but this is how it looks. So again, I did get this from Amazon. It was under $30. I did have to pay for shipping, so I think in total it was like $35 or under, but it was pretty cheap for a hot tool. I do think it's good quality, like it's going to last. Everything seems to be nice and sturdy, and then the heat itself heats up really quickly, so that's what I really like about this. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these type of videos so I know to keep making them. And please subscribe if you haven't already so you can keep updated with my latest videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!